Qualifications-Based Selection step by step. After you've issued the request for qualifications and received qualification submittals, you're on to step 3, evaluate qualifications. The selection committee assigned to develop a short list of firms should evaluate the qualifications submitted. Be sure that the screening committee is made of competent individuals who are able to make an informed selection decision. We recommend that the owner not consider qualification submittals received after the deadline. The number of firms to be included on the short list and then interviewed may vary depending on the size and scope of the project. Generally, 3 to 5 firms are sufficient. The QBS workbook available at qbs-mi.org includes a sample evaluation form to assist with reviewing and shortlisting firms based on their qualification submittals. This form should be tailored to meet specific project needs. A form is also included for checking references of firms. References should be checked between the time qualification submittals are received and the time the selection committee meets to develop a short list.